Okay, good evening, my dear children,
Good evening, sir.
and very good evening. And yes, thank you for logging into the class on time. And actually, I was planning to hold the class at 5:30. Again, I shifted the time. To 6:15. Anyway, big thank you to everybody, and also uh, uh, right, please switch on your cameras, everybody. Camera on karaganna lendini. www.myteachers.lk Kumar Janapriya sir's special class එකකට log වෙලා ඉන්නේ. I was right, Aditi, I am very sorry. You gave me a call in the afternoon. I could not answer from morning to evening. Januka, I had 4 classes, right? And again, I had to rush towards the garage to get my car back. And the people said that it would be a little bit late after 5:30. Then I changed the time. Right. Again, everybody, please say good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Right.
Good evening,
Right. I want to call your names. Nesadi, Chetana, Hasna. Igolo tamai top line එකේ ඉන්න අය. Sandaseya Sarada. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Although it takes time, වෙලාව ගියා sir එහෙම හැමදාම කියනෝ නේද? ඔයගොල්ලෝ දන්නෝ නේද? Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We know
Second
that.
team, second line, Genuka, Disinu, Nadev, Dolina, Chenuti. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening,
And our
sir.
third team, Aditi, Yenumi, Pehansa, Kasuni and Dileep sir. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
On a sir la inne Yenumila team එකේ හරි. Right, third team. Damsadi, Sinara, Harshi, Saseni, Shaven. Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Okay. Sadish, Shanuli, Lindini, Rashka, Chatumi. Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Right. මට පේන ප්‍රමාණයට නම් කිව්වා. I told you a name. And මට මේ අතරතුර ලස්සන රචනා කීපයක් ළමයි කිව්වා. I would like to listen to your essays, my school. But I have to make a complaint. මට පොඩි පැමිණිල්ලක් කරන්න තියෙනවා for the first time මුල්ම වතාවට www.myteachers.lk ළමයින්ට. කුමාර සර්ටවත් ගුරුවරුන්ටවත් කාටවත් නෙවෙයි ළමයින්ට. ඕගොල්ලෝ ඉස්සර මට කෝල් කරලා රචනා කියනවා. දැන් කියන්නේ නැහැ. What is the secret behind that? මොකද්ද ධම්සදී ඒකට තියෙන හේතුව? මම හිතනවා දැන් ඉංග්‍රීසි හොඳට පුළුවන් ඇති කියලා. ඒ නිසා අපි සර්ට කියන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. අපි තමයි වැඩෝ නේද? අපි ඉංග්‍රීසි කෙලින්ම we are suddhis and suddhas. We don't need teachers support. හැබැයි තාමත් support ඕන අය කෝල් කරනවා. අදිති, රෂ්කා, they call me. තව අද කතා කරා මට චනුමිනේ චතුමි හෝ චනුමි. Chanumi, are you in the class? Chenuti නේද අද රචනාව කිව්ව මට කෝල් කළා?
No, sir.
No.
I am Chenuli.
Chenuli. Okay, no problem. මං කාටවත් බනින්නේ නැහැ, කම්ප්ලේන් කරන්නේ නැහැ. I will not blame. බනින්නේ නැහැ. හැබැයි ඕගොල්ලෝගේ ළඟ ඉඳගෙන I will squeeze your ear. කන මිරිකලා and right and give you a small shot on your shoulder. Right? I'll punish Damsadi on your shoulder. Hey, what are you doing? Right. දැන් ලබන සතිය පොරොන්දු වෙනවද මට රචනා ලස්සන කියන බව හර්ෂි?
Yes, sir. I will promise.
Don't tell me this. හැබැයි අතරතුර මට කියන ළමයි ඉන්නවා, so I can say they always keep on calling me. මට නිතර call කරන ළමයි අතර ඉරු, sometimes Dulina, Aditi, Sasani, they always call the teacher. My call කරන list එකේ උඩින්ම ඉන්නවා ඒගොල්ලෝ. Sometimes Pehansa, Shavenuත් ටිකක් මෑතකදී හොඳයි. උනන්දුවක් ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවා. මට කෝල් කරන්න නැති ලිස්ට් එකේ ඉන්නවා ගගනි, සදීෂ්, ලින්දිනි, එතකොට දම්සදී, කසුනි, නදෙව්, සඳසේයා, සාරදා, හර්ෂි. They are in my non-calling list. No problem.
Excuse me, sir. This week we are busy, so I can't call because my Aya's Elias wedding.
Wedding? You were Devani Manamali?
No, sir.
Yes, then okay, no problem. You have a lot of work. Yes, okay, no problem. Help bridal couple, go to hotel, cooking, ironing, arranging the house, dumps. Right. Whatever you are busy, no problem. ඔගොල්ලෝ busy නිසා තමයි මම නිවාඩුවකුත් දුන්නේ. Wednesday class I gave you holiday නේද? Thursday class I gave you holiday. Big holiday. Right, no problem. Welcome. Yenumi, what is the page that we are dealing? මොකක්ද අපිට තියෙන පිටුව?
Sir, we have to do page number 3. We have did activity 4 and today we have to done activity 5.
Activity 5. Yenumi, can you read this question first? First chance for you.
Okay. Here is a story of Nasruddin. Can you complete it?
Okay. What are the answers given?
Money, ladder, roof, bread, house, door, again ladder.
Again ladder. Nadev, can you read the question, Puta? Can you read the question? You are not reading, you are playing with your brother. Yashmi, can you read the question?
Okay, sir. Here is a story of Nasruddin. Can you complete it?
Nasruddin, can you complete it? Mani. 1, 2, 3. Hurry up. 3 minutes. Inadi tunai den.
Activity 3
Start activity 5. Don't shout. Switch on your mic. Switch off. Lindini, now are you okay? Are you free on Friday? Now finish your work?
No, sir.
Not finished. Okay. Anyway, nice to see you. I hope you will be in the class as much as possible. No problem. But if you have some other work, you do both English class and other work. I wish you good luck. Right? Continue.
Thank you, sir.
Right. Welcome.
I have done my work, sir.
Me too, sir. Sir.
Chetana, yesterday, the day before yesterday was the Poy Day. Do you know?
Yes, sir.
Poy Day, I came to your village, Udugama. Danne nede? Right. On Poy Day afternoon, I came, right? After, I think, 12. Senara, finish. Sanuli Bimansa, finish.
Finish, sir. And Sandasya, I have done my work.
Right. I would like to give this chance first to fill the first blank. Sanuli Bimansa, can you read?
Yes, sir. Nasruddin is a wonderful fictional character in the Middle Eastern stories. One day, Nasruddin repaired the tiles on the roof of his house.
Enough. Good, good. Senara, number 2.
Nasruddin was on the roof.
Enough.
Suddenly,
Enough. Rasnuddin was on the roof. Sasani.
suddenly, a stranger knocked out on the door.
Good. Suddenly, a stranger knocked on the door. Pehansa.
What do you want? Nasruddin shouted out. Come down, replied the stranger. Then I can tell you. Nasruddin slowly
No,
climbed down the
Nasruddin.
ladder.
Nasruddin. His name is Nasruddin.
Okay, sir. Nasruddin is slowly climbed down the ladder.
Good. Aditi Nishara.
All right, now tell me, said Nasruddin. What do you want? Could you give me some money?
Right. Could you give me Samsadi? Could you give me some money? Huh? Right. Her face became gloomy. Muna aduruna nede. When I asked for money. Dulina, start next part.
I need money to buy bread.
Good. Chetana.
Nasruddin thought for some time. Follow me, said Nasruddin. Then I can give you. Nasruddin slowly climbed up the ladder.
Good.
All
Lindini,
right,
last
now
two
give-
lines, please read. Can you read last two lines? All right.
All right, now give me, said the man. Sorry, said Nasruddin. My pocket is empty.
Good. I don't have money. My pocket is empty. Right? Like that. I like to hear the voice of Sandasaya again. Same story. Sandasaya, can you start? When I say stop, stop.
Okay, sir. Nasruddin is a wonderful fictional character in the Middle Eastern stories. One day, Nasruddin repaired these tiles on the roof of his house. Nasruddin was
Enough. Nadev, Jai Vikrama.
Sir, my mic is sometimes it's like
Blurring.
making some noise.
Right. Disinu, can you start? He's silent. Harshi Hiranya, start.
Okay, sir. One day, Nasruddin repaired the tiles on the roof of his house. Nasruddin was on the roof. Suddenly, a stranger knocked on the door.
Enough.
What do you want?
Rashka. Enough. Rashka.
What do you want? Nasruddin shouted out. Come down, replied the stranger. Then I can tell you. Nasruddin slowly climbed down the ladder.
Enough. Yenuka Sadahas.
all right. Now tell me, said Nasruddin. What do you want? Could you give me some money?
Yenuka, can you give me some money? Sarada.
No. Yes, I can, sir.
All right.
Very good. Annabalana, not like Damsadi. Damsadi wagene. Yes, I can.
I need money to buy.
Mangillanne. Illi venathat. Yes, I can. Good boy.
I need money to buy bread. Nasruddin talked for some time. Follow me, said Nasruddin. Then I can give you. Nasruddin slowly climbed up the ladder.
Enough. Gagani.
All right, now give me, said the man. Sorry, said Nasruddin. My pocket is empty.
Right. Good. Hands up those who Those who can give me money. Sir, salary denna puluwan lama ata ussana bala. Right? Tomorrow I am coming in front of your house. Right? Senara, Chaven cannot give. I don't need much money. I need only 10 rupees. Kobala mata ussapu ay. Ana damsadi medanta mata issu gana kiwwata passe after telling the time the amount. Okay, Shaven cannot give me. Sir, I can't give you money. I am a poor man. Right. Tomorrow morning, as soon as you get up, you come in front of your house. There will be a beggar in front of the house. Right? Then I will speak to you like this, my dear children, I am a poor man, give me some money. Oh, like that, I will ask, give me 10 rupees. Right. Okay, we are going to start. Thank you. Everybody promise, Hamo Poranduna to give me money. Thank you. Not now. Then anyway, when I become 70 years old, Yanuka, I will come to your house. Right? Not now. Avrudu 70 dino Yanuka, right? Then you are 35, 40. Then I will come and ask, Yanuka. Okay. Pronouns. What is our lesson?
Pronouns.
Pronouns.
Sarvanam. Pronouns. Yes, pronouns. Pro කියන්නේ වෙනුවට. Pro. Nouns කියන්නේ නාමපද. If we can use the word instead of a noun, they are called pronouns. Now I will write a sentence. Yenuka is a bright boy. Yenuka is a bright boy. Yenuka ita daksha lamai, bright. Instead of Venuka, Lindini, what we can use? He, she, it. How the other? It is a bright boy. He. Because Yenuka is a male. He can use the word he. It done bane. Like an animal. It is. Yenuka is a bright boy. She lives in Mathura. Aya jeevat tenne Mathura.
Say it is wrong.
Correct or wrong?
Wrong, sir.
Right. Example number 2. Example number 2. I will write about Mama Kiyanna Kagana Danod. Who has the longest hair in the class?
I have, sir.
Huh? I'll write. We can say Yashmi. Yashmi. Yashmi is a young girl. She has beautiful long hair. Now you can see Yashmi. Yashmi is a noun. Instead of Yashmi, we can use she. Okay, put a star mark and write this note. May not clear. Everybody, please write this.
The book.
No, in the book, in the tute, you can write. No problem. In the tute. Sanuli Lianaduva Imaya, write this note. Pronouns are the words used to, USED, used to. Pronouns are the words used to not used, not to you. Pronouns are the words used, USED, used instead of nouns. Instead of nouns. Underline the word Damsadi instead of කියන වචන දුව ඉරක් ගන්න. Instead of. නාම පද වෙනුවට භාවිතා කරන පද සර්වනාම වේ. Pronouns are the words used instead of nouns. Okay, example number 1. Sarada, can you read the example number 1?
Piyumi is a clever girl. She studies at Siridharma College.
Siridharma College. Shaven, number 2.
The Titanic was a big ship. It was built by an American company.
American shipping company, right? Huge ship. The Titanic was a huge ship, mean very large ship.
Excuse me, sir.
Ahasna, number 3. Okay, do a Damsadi, what is the problem?
Sir, in the pronouns you told pronouns are the words used instead of nouns. That's all.
Yes,
That's all.
that's all, yes. Instead
Okay,
of
sir.
nouns. Nama pada venuwata bhavita karana pada. Damsadi is a noun. Instead of Damsadi, we can use she. Dileepa is a noun. Instead of Dileepa, we can use he. The lion is a noun. Instead of lion, we can use it. Terichara Mathur sir?
Sir, can we tell a pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun?
Yes, very good. That is correct. 100% correct. How they go anyway? Very good. Very
You
good.
learn it. You told it.
All right.
Nali.
Pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. Okay. Gagani, can you read, ask number 3?
Yes, sir. The boy plays every day. He does not study well.
Okay. Dulina plays with his, Dulina's brother plays every day. He does not study well. Dulina ke malli apane itara sellan kar inne miniya itara hondara igena ganne nath. Dulina's brother plays well. He does not study well. I can say here. Kasuni is a very beautiful girl. She lives in Colombo. Okay, we can say like that. Disinu. Disinu is an engineer. He works in Ethiopia. Now we can say, right? My father is in abroad, enemy. He comes home once a year. Sometimes twice a year. Deparai. Okay. Now subject pronouns, object pronoun, possessive adjectives. කාටද පුළුවන් සර්ගේ උදව් නැතුව මේ වගුව පුරවන්න who can?
I
අපේ
can.
මනුර සර් සමාට උගන්වන්න නැති දම්සති මේක මනුර සර් you know මනුර ප්‍රසන්න අර සුදු ලස්සන සර් කෙනෙක් ඉන්නේ නේද? Do you know? මනුර සර් he might have taught this. මනුර සර්ට grammar හොඳට පුළුවන්.
Excuse me, sir. Sir,
Yes.
what is possessive adjective?
අන්න ඒක තමයි. Possessive mean you can see here. I, me, mine. I, me, my. Mama, mata, mage. Without teacher's help, කාටද පුළුවන් අගු පුරවන්න අත උස්සන්න? සනුලි පුළුවන්ද දුව? Can you?
Yes, sir, I can.
1, 2, 3. Start everybody. හැමෝම පටන් ගන්න. Understood. Our Manura sir was a very good grammarian earlier. Is කාලෙත් හොඳ දක්ෂම grammar ගුරුවරයෙක්. ඔබට අපේ පන්තිය මිස් වුණොත් සර්ගේ පන්තියට උනත් සහභාගී වෙලා you can improve your knowledge of grammar.
Sir, our class ఎవరైనా పేరు
Huh?
class ఎవరైనా
I can't hear you.
sir, other class ఎవరైనా పేరు
What is your name?
Lakshmi.
මම කැමති මෙතන ළමයින්ට අවස්ථාව ලබා දෙන්න උගන්වන්න. Who would like to teach English? Sir, wagi ඉස්සරහට ඇවිල්ලා ලින්දිනි. Good morning, children. My name is Lindini. I am your English teacher.
Sir,
Right? I am from Jaffna. I am a Tamil teacher. Like that? Okay.
thank you very much.
Good morning. My name is Nesandi Shakya. I am from Vaunia. I am a Tamil teacher. Like that, you can teach. Good morning, children. My name is Aditi Inishara. I am a teacher from Sangamitra Girls School. I am 35 years old. You introduce yourself. Who would like to teach?
Sir, I like very much.
Huh? කැමති නැද්ද ගුරුවරයෙක් වෙන්න?
Sir, I like.
අදිති කියනවා මම කැමති කියලා. I like.
Sir, I like it.
Right. දැන් මෙතන ඉන්නේ ගුරුවරු වෙන්න කැමති අය නෙවෙයි. You don't like to be teachers. You like to be engineers. You like to be scientists. You like to be doctors. You like to be pilots. You like to be software engineers. Nobody likes to be a teacher. කාරුවක් ගුරුවරයෙක් වෙන්න කැමති නෑ. අදිති නම් ටිකක් කන්නේ හොඳයි. I want to be a lecturer.
I like.
I can, sir.
I like very much.
I told you about earlier.
Some girls like to be army soldiers, army doctors, like that.
Sir, I like very much.
Do you know what was my ambition when I was in grade 6? හයවසරදී මගේ ප්‍රාර්ථනාව. What was my ambition?
For the teacher.
To become a teacher.
To be a traveler.
No,
To be a traveler.
Be a doctor.
An engineer.
No.
A
Actually,
traveler.
Be a
No, no.
doctor.
when I was in grade 5 or 6, Januka, I like to be a fisherman. Right? Nobody
Why?
and our English teacher came to the class and asked, what is your ambition? Then some people said doctors, engineers, teachers, pilots, and many more. Then I only myself, I told teacher, I want to be a fisherman. fisherman? Why? I have no idea. මම හිනාසයි ඒ කාලේ හුඟක් ආසයි මාළු අල්ලන්න අපේ මේ ගමේ ඉන්න මාළු අල්ලන්න කියලා. He catches fish. I go near the sea and watch him catch fish very carefully. I am very happy when the fish are dancing and coming on the hook. අර බිලි කොක්කේ එල්ලිලා යනුක එනකොට මාළු නටනට I think fish are dancing. I am very happy. So මට ටීචර් එකේ ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින් කියන්න හැකියාව තිබුණේ නැහැ. But I said I want to be a fisher. As time goes by කාලය ගත වෙලා මෙහෙම යනකොට I change my idea. මම මගේ අදහස වෙනස් කරනවා. I want to be then what?
Teacher.
No.
To be an English teacher.
No.
To be an
Doctor.
To be an engineer.
No, after 2 years, right? My father took me to golf fort. අපේ තාත්තා මාව එක්කන් ගියා ගාලු කොටුවට. ඊට කලින් උක්ක ගියා, but when I was in grade 7 or 8, I can remember years. Then I changed my idea. මම මගේ අදහස වෙනස් කරා. Then I want to be an ice cream seller.
Why so?
Because there was a very good ice cream seller in golf fort. ගාලු කොටුවේ දුන්නේ දැකලා තියෙනවද? There are ice cream sellers, right?
Yes, sir, sometimes.
They sell ice cream. Lot of pupils, small children, they come towards him to buy ice cream. I thought if I become an ice cream seller, I could eat many ice creams. So I changed my idea to become an ice cream seller. එතන මං හිතන මේ ළමයිනුත් වෙනස්සේ මුලින් පයිලට් කියාවි. After that in පස්සේ චේතනා කියයි I want to be a nurse. Tamsadi කියයි I want to be a balloon man. Okay. Then Shaven will say I want to be a fruit seller. Samang ආසයි පළතුරු විකුණන්න. Another will say I want to sell plastic bottles. I want to sell newspapers. How we change our ideas. Then I change.
I want to be a not balloon.
ඇත්තටම මම ආසයි මට ice-cream seller කෙනෙක් වෙන්න පුළුවන් නම් දැන් උනා. Now also I like to be an ice-cream seller. Because children will come. Always children will come. I am very happy. I give ice cream, take money, again give ice cream. I can dance and sell ice cream. How happy I am. Sometimes we are not happy by teaching. Teaching always early in the morning, Damsadi up to midnight. Then May Panthi Urnama, 8:30 another class. I have to finish 11 o'clock, 10:30. Very tired. Ice cream seller, they sell ice cream and go early. Now, am I correct?
Yes, sir. And count the money today. What I brought the money.
Yes, they are very rich now. Right. Carver ice cream seller කෙනෙක් වෙනවනම් මට call කරලා කියන්න I will help. Okay, no problem. Right? Then මේ ආඩුවෙන් පස්සේ ඕගොල්ලන්ට පොඩි විහිළුවකුත් කරනවා. සමා වෙන්න කාලය ගන්නේ නෑ මං ඒත්. I am not taking much time. Why? දැන් ඕගොල්ලෝ ඉන්නේ හරි ප්‍රෙෂර් එකකනේ නැද්ද පොඩ්ඩක්? මේ පන්ති එපා වෙන්නේ නැද්ද? මට නම් එපා.
No, sir.
No, sir. It's true.
English පන්ති නෙමෙයි. Not English class. පන්ති වැඩි වෙනකොට එපා එහෙම වෙන්නේ නැද්ද?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Wait. පන්ති එපා වෙන්නේ නැත්නම් you are not a human being. ඔබ මිනිස්සෙක් නෙවෙයි. මිනිස්සෙක් නම් පන්ති එපා වෙන්නේ. Hands up those who are fed up of classes. ඔබල පන්ති එපා වෙන ළමයාට උස්සනවා. අවංකව. අන්න මිනිස්සයෝ අනිත් අය අමනුෂ්‍යයෝ. right? පන්ති එපා වෙන්න රත උස්සන්න බලන්න. ඔන්න මම කුමාර සර්ට කියනවා වීඩියෝ එක බලන්න මෙන්න පන්ති එපා වෙන ළමයි. සෙට් එකම අල්ලගනින්න. Right? These students are tired of classes. ඇත්තට එපා වෙනවා. ඒ නිසා ඉතින් ඉගෙන ගන්න ඕන ළමයි we have to learn with interest. හිමායා ආසාවෙන් ඉගෙන ගන්න ඕන. දැන් මේ පන්තිර ආසාවෙන් ඉගෙන ළමයි කවුද? hands up those who attend the class with interest. අවංක කොහොමද? අවංක නම් අත් දෙකම උස්සා. Sir, we like this class. කොහොමද? Right, very good, very good. මම අපුඩියක් ගන්න ඔබේ අදහසට. I like this class very much. මම මේ පන්තිර ගොඩක් ආසයි. හැබැයි තවත් ආස පන්ති තියෙනවා. Right? හැම පන්තියේදීම මම කියන්නේ ඒක තමයි. I like this class. Okay. Right. Pronoun table. මම අවස්ථාව දෙන්නම්. Harshi, can you fill first blank? I. Harshi is silent.
I can, sir.
Okay, Dulina.
I, object pronoun, me, possessive adjective, my.
Sarada, number 2, we.
We, subject pronoun, object pronoun, to us. Possessive object, our.
ඒ වචන කියන්න නැතුව we, us, our.
I am Yanuka. I can tell.
Yenuka, tell me number 3.
You, subject pronoun. You, object pronoun. Your, possessive adjective.
Very good man. Very good man.
Sir, can I tell? Sir, I am Hasna.
Sanuli Imaya.
They, them, their.
Very good, Sanuli. Pehansa.
Excuse me, sir.
Nimna, start.
Sir, I am Harshi.
Nimna, start.
Okay, sir. He, him, his.
Good.
Sir, I am sorry. That time I cannot unmute my mic.
Ahasna, now next one.
Okay, sir. Thank you. It, eats.
Number 6, she.
Okay, sorry, sir. She, her, her.
Last one, Yashmi.
Yes, sir. It's.
It's no apostrophe. දැන් මේ වගුවම මේ හතම මට මේ හත එක්කෙනෙක් කියන්න ඕන. මේ හත තව කෙනෙක් කියන්න ඕන. Here another one. I would like to give this opportunity first to Chatumi. Chatumi, these 7.
I, we, your, they, he, she, it.
You are wrong. Again, first table. Kasumi, මුල් වගුව නැවත කියන්න එයා වරදක් කරා.
I, we, you, they, he, she, it.
I, we, you, they, he, she, it.
Sir,
I,
next
we,
one
you,
can I
they.
read?
Sir, I am Harshi, sir. I cannot on my mic at that time.
Now second, okay. Shaven, can you read second line B?
Me, us, you, them, him, her, it.
Okay. Chetana, C.
My, our, your, their, his, her, its.
Harshi, again first line.
I, we, you, they, he, she, it.
Sasini,
Me, us, you, them, him, her, it.
Sandaseya.
Possessive adjective my, our, your, their, his, her, its.
Right. Pronouns වගේ කොටස් පහක් තියෙනවා. මම ඉතුරු කොටස් දෙක දන්නේ නැති නිසා උගන්වන්නේ නැහැ. I am not going to teach you Damsadi the other two parts. It can be taught when you come to grade 7 plus 8 වල තමයි කොටස් පහම තියෙන්නේ. මට දැන් ඒක මතක නැහැ. අටේදී මතක් වෙවියා. හර්ෂි. දැන් අටේදී මතක් වුණාම I will teach you the other part. Right? Up to now I don't.
Okay, sir, no problem.
No problem. කවන්න නැහැනේ මට සමා වෙන්න එක මේ දැන් ඊකට ප්‍රශ්න අහන්නත් එපා හරි. Don't ask questions.
Okay, sir.
Study these sentences. මං කැමති මේ වාක්‍ය ටික
I can help.
wait a while. සසනිට කියවන්න first two examples. Sasani, can you read?
Okay, sir. I'm Andrea. You gave me an egg. We are friends. You taught us English.
Okay. Sanuli Bimansa.
You and I are friends. I will help you. My father is at home. Please meet him.
Enough. Tulina, number 5.
Your mother is very kind. I like her. My pet
Next
is
one,
a cat.
wait. Next one, Yenumi. Sanda, say, Yenumi.
My pet is a cat. It always play with it.
It not, I always play. I always play with it. Senara,
They are my friends. I study with them.
you can say, Kumara Janapriya is our leader. We like him. Anna. Kumara Janapriya, subject pronouns. Is our leader. We like him. Right? We can say, Nadev Jayavikrama is a bright pupil. All the girls in the class like him. Nadev is a bright pupil. All the girls like him. Harineda udaharana. Correct? Am I correct? Dagini Harineda?
No,
Correct
sir.
or wrong?
No, sir.
No,
You
sir.
are wrong.
It's not
No, sir.
correct.
No, sir.
You have to turn it.
No. I told you the sentence is correct or wrong?
Yes,
Sentence is correct.
It's correct, sir.
Sentence is
Not
correct.
correct.
It's wrong.
Okay, the sentence is correct. Now we can say Dulna is a very smart boy. All the girls respect him. Yeah, Daksha Lamek. සියලුම ගෑනු ළමයි යාට කරු කරනවා. Am I correct?
You are wrong, sir.
No, sir.
The sentence is correct, but the idea is not
Sentence
correct.
is correct, but idea
Sentence
is
is correct.
no.
Then I can. Yenumi is the president of Sri Lanka. Every boy in this class stand up when they hear their Yenumi's name.
No, sir, no.
Yes,
Everybody
sir.
stand up.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's correct. And the idea is also correct.
Yes, sir. Idea and sentence also correct.
I am not the president, sir.
Yes. Not. You can be the president. ඔගොල්ලෝ අහලා තියෙනවද බැරක් ඔබාමා කියලා කෙනෙක්?
Name is Ray.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Have you heard about Barack Obama?
No, sir, never.
Right. He was the 41st, I think, president of America. අමරිකාවේ 41 වෙනි ජනාධිපති මට හිතන විදිහට.
Yes,
Abraham
sir.
Lincoln was 16, Barack Obama. Right, his father and mother were from, two different countries, Africa and America, mixed nation. Mr. Jati again, Obama worked in America. America sorry, America. He worked in Africa in a cornfield. දාන්න ඉඩමක වැඩ කරනවා as a laborer කම්කරුවෙක් වශයෙන්. කවුද කැමති කම්කරුවෙක් වශයෙන් වැඩ කරන්න? Do you like to be a laborer? හර්ෂි කැමතිද ඊ මලු අදින්න?
I like to help.
හා?
I like to help everyone.
help. නෑ නෑ
Yes.
කම්කරුවෙක් කියන්නේ උදේ ගිහිල්ලා අර කුලී වැඩ කරන්නේ කුලී කරු.
No, I don't like that. I want freedom.
You want freedom. Good, good, good. Obama worked in the cornfield. Right? He was paid a little amount of money. One day he carried 3 sacks of corn like that and put it down. Very difficult to carry such a long distance. His grandmother said, "Puté oya rajek වෙනවා කියලා යාගේ ආච්චියාට කිව්වා." මොකද්ද කිව්වේ සිංහලෙන්? සිංහලෙන් නෙමෙයි කිව්වේ ඒ භාෂාව. සිංහල තේරුම මොකද්ද? ඕගොල්ලෝ ආසද ඒ වගේ වාක්‍යයක් අහන්න අම්මගෙන් හරි ආච්චිගෙන්?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We like.
No, sir.
ආසයි නේද? Do you like? දැන්
Yes,
මම
sir.
කාට හරි කියනවා කෙනෙකු ඔබ රජෙක් වෙනව කවදා හරි. අදිති ඔබ රජිනියක් වෙනවා. නැත්තම් තව කෙනෙක්ට කියනවා ඔයා යකින්නක් වෙනවා. You will become a witch or devil. Huh? Wait. වෙලාව ගියාට කමන්නේ මගේ වැඩ කොටස කරලා තියෙන වැඩිත් එක්ක. වෙලාව ගන්න. චුටි වෙලාවක් ගන්නවා. සාමාන්‍ය දෙනෙම කිය I want to teach. Obama's grandmother said that you would become a what? King. Project.
King.
ආන්නේ. චූටි කාලේ කියන්නේ අපි හිතන්නේ නැති දේවල්. වචනේ කොච්චර බලයක් තියෙනවද? After another 15-17 years, 20 years, he became the president of
America.
USA, United States. ලෝකෙම බලවතා රට.
United
ඇමරිකාවේ.
States of America.
Yes. එහෙනම් මම ප්‍රශ්නයක් අහන අත උස්සන කියන්නේ නැතුව. As soon as he became the president, එයා ඇමරිකාවේ ජනාධිපති වුණු ගමන් එයාට මතක් වුණ එක චරිතයක්. අත උස්සන්න කවුද? මම දැන් උත්තර 4ක් කියනවා. His teacher, his wife, his daughter, his girlfriend.
What?
Sir, please repeat.
His teacher.
Sir, there are no answer.
There are no answer.
උත්තර පහක් දෙනවා.
One answer is
His
wrong.
wait. His teacher, his girlfriend, his wife, his best friend, his grandmother.
His grandmother. His grandmother.
මං කිව්වා අත උස්සන්න කියලානේ. Aditi, what is the answer?
His grandmother.
Not wife, not girlfriend, not best friend. He remembered his how the grandmother. මගේ ආච්චි තමයි
Grandmother.
මගේ ආච්චි තමයි ලෝකෙ මට මුලින්ම රජෙක් කියලා කතා කරේ යන්න. That's a big power. So he, as after becoming the president of America, he came to visit. එයා බලන්න ආවා. කවුද?
His grandmother.
Grandmother. What is the country? In Africa.
In Africa.
And he came to meet his grandmother and said, ආච්චි ළඟට ඇවිල්ලා කියනවා, grandmother was very old. වයසයි. She could not see පේන්නේ නැහැ. කියනවා ආච්චි ඔයා හම්බෙන්න රජෙක් ආවයි කියලා. ඔයාව හම්බෙන්න කවුද ආවේ?
A king.
A king came. අන්න එදා ඊට පස්සේ බලන ආච්චි දැනගන්න මං එදා කියපුණාවේ කියලා. දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ අම්මා ඉඳපු ගමන් රජෝ කියලා කතා කරනව නේද ඔයගොල්ලෝ කියන්නේ නැද්ද? නේද කියන්නේ නැද්ද?
No, sir.
No, sir.
කියන්නේ නැද්ද? මගේ රජෝ මගේ රත්තරන්. මගේ රත්තරන් පුතේ. Yes, wait. එහෙනම් do they call you? එහෙනම් භූතයෝ. එහෙනම් යක්ෂණි. රාක්ෂය.
Not say.
Yes, they call you. My dear daughter. Loku Doni, come here. Chuti Doni.
Yes, sir.
Like that.
Yes,
They call. අන්නේ වචනේ බලයක් තියෙනවා. අම්මගේ ඉබේ නිකන් නෙවෙයි ඉබේ කටින් කියවුනොත් මගේ රජෝ කියලා රජ වේවි හොඳද? කාට හරි කිව්ව ගමන් මට කෝල් කරලා කියන්න. අද අපේ ආච්චිට බලෙන් හරි කියලා කියවන්න දම්සති. ආච්චි මට රජෝ කියලා කියන්නේ කියලා. Right? දුරිනේ සමහරට එහෙම කියන පුළුවන්. You can give money to your grandfather, Jenuka. CA, call me king. Right. හොඳයි. ඔන්න ඔබාමා ගැන මම ලස්සන කතාවක් කිව්වා. Right, Barack Obama, the president of America. Now we are coming to the next part. අපි ඊළඟ කොටසට එනවා. What is the page number? Page number 5. Circle the pronouns in the sentences given below. 1, 2, 3. Pronouns යටින් ඉරක් රවුමක් අදින්න. Hurry up. තව සති දෙකක් තියෙනවා මේ ටියුට් එක ඉවර කරන්න අපි සර් ඉන්නේ තව එක යුනිට් එකයි සර්ට තියෙන එක ටියුට් එකයි මුළු සිලබස් එක කවර් කරන්න. Jeremy, right? We have a very short way to go. No matter.
I have done my work, sir.
I have done my work, sir.
This is my favorite drink.
I have done my work, sir.
Bottle of water.
Bottle of water.
Bottle of water.
Complete the activity.
Water is my best friend.
I have
Have-
done my work.
Is what?
Have you finished?
Bottle of water.
Yes, sir, we are finished.
Chatumi number 1. Can you start number 1, Chatumi? කියනකොටම කියන්න.
I am under you give me an egg.
No. මොකද්ද මේ කියන්නේ? පාඩමේ අවබෝධයෙන් නෙවෙයි සසෙනි number 1.
Okay, sir. She went to the shop with Abdul. She
is the pronoun. Shaved number 2.
Every day, Supipi goes to school with them.
Them is the pronoun. Nesandi Saksha number 3.
At the shop, the cashier gave her some change.
Her, good. Rashka number 4.
I enjoyed every morning he goes for work.
He. Sarada number 5.
I enjoyed the food he brought.
There are 2 pronouns.
He.
Sinara number 6.
We played with the puppy, then gave it a biscuit. We and it.
P and it. Damsadi Kumaravadu.
What?
Damsadi start.
Did you see the house we built? We.
Yes. We and, not we and. There are
You.
two pronouns. You.
You.
You and we. Chenuli.
I daughter.
Not number 8. Number 8.
I can.
I brought it for me. Me.
There are 3. තුනක් තියෙනවද? I.
Sir, I can.
Me.
I eat. සමහර ළමයි හරියට උනන්දුවෙන් කියන්නේ
I
නැහැ.
eat meat.
කෙනුමි සඳදියද?
Sandilya.
සඳිල්යා. කෙනුමි සඳිල්යා.
We went to the ground. We.
අපි යාගේ නම වෙනස් කරමු. We will call her not enemy සඳිල්යා. සඳිල්යා is good. සනුලි ඉමායා.
The dog wagged its tail as it was friendly. It's it.
Good. It's it. Very easy. හරිම lazy ඉස්කෝලේ අභ්‍යාස. Hands up those who have got 10 10 10 10. Aditi, can you read question number activity number 7?
Match the word or group of words on the left with the correct pronoun on the right.
Okay. 1 2 3. जा करना थी. Supipi. The big truck. Boys and girls. Shereen and I. Murali.
There are 2 girls' names.
What? No.
No.
I am Sadhya. I have done my work,
කලබල
sir.
නොවී දුව හොඳට ලියන්න.
Activity.
I have done my work, sir. I have done my work.
XA2, sir.
I like yes.
I have
like
done my work, sir.
enough. Message this enough. Don't shout. Because there is a vacancy for fishermen in our village. අපේ ගමේ රැකියාවන් තියෙනවා දීවරයින් සඳහා. Who would like to join? එකම දක්ෂතාවය පන්තියේදී හයියෙන් කෑ ගහන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕන. බාධා හිතෙනවා. That is the only qualification. Yenuka, I will check the video and select. Video එකෙන් පුරා මට select කරන්න. I can. ඒගොල්ලන්ට හොඳ රැකියාවක්. That's a very good job for them. Gamsadiya. These days parents also have no money. දෙමව්පියන්ටත් මුදල් ප්‍රශ්න තියෙන කාලේ you can find a job very easily. Sadhya likes to do a job there.
No, sir. I am not like.
I don't like, but I am not like, I don't like. Okay, first one, Chetana, Shereen and I.
Shereen and I. We.
Shereen and I, Shereen sa mama. Mama කෙනෙක් සමග තුනා we අපි. Number 2, Hiranya, Murali.
Okay, sir. Murali. She.
She? No.
Also he.
Murali.
Muralikaran.
Murali කිව්වම සිංහල.
Murali's boy.
Yes.
Not a single. He is a Tamil person.
No. Normally that can be used for both and girls. දෙකලොන්න පුළුවන්, but better for boys. දීප්ති කියලා ගෑනු ළමයි ඉන්නවද නැද්ද?
Yes.
පිරිමි ළමයිත් ඉන්නවද නැද්ද?
Yes, sir.
Innova, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is it correct, my answer?
We can't get it as correct because Supipi. ඔයා Supipi කියන එකට මොකද්ද ලියුවේ? ඒක
I
correct නෑ.
read he.
He. Supipi he?
Yeah.
Mika,
It is
you,
wrong.
she, Supipi.
Supipi
No,
she.
sir. Supipi is she.
Supipi is she.
Now we can listen to
Murali is
Supipi girl. Murali boy.
Supipi girl. Murali boy. Harshi Halanet Muttaya Muralidharan. No?
Yes, sir.
හැබැයි
He
මුරලි
is not
කියලා අහන් ඉන්න කතා පොත් හර්ෂි කියන එක හරි. මට කතා පොත්වල ගෑනු ළමෙක් හම්බුණා මුරලි කියලා. ඒ වුණාට සුපිපි කියලා පිරිමි ළමයි නෑ සුපිපි නේද? ධම්සති සුපිපි කියලා පිරිමි ළමයි ඉන්නවද සුපිපි?
No, sir.
No. Never. That is wrong. Next one, Dulina, the big truck.
The big truck. Pronoun is it.
Pronoun is it. Number 5. මේ ටියුට් එක වැඩ ටික හරිම ලේසි මුල් ටියුට් වලට වඩා මට හරි කිරි කජුවගේ ළමයි උත්තර දෙන්න. රෂ්කා, boys and girls.
They.
Yes, these are given in your school syllabus, so I can. Number 8. Activity number 8. Kasuli, can you read the question?
Okay, sir. Write the pronoun to replace the underlined word.
Let me your eyes. මගේ ඇස් දෙක දිහා බලන්න හැමෝම. තරහෙන් බලන්න. Yeah. අන්න නදෙව් බලපු විදිය හරි. තරහෙන් අන්න. Correct, correct. Right. Now close your eyes. ඇස් පියා ගන්නක චුට්ටක් හැමෝම. Close your eyes. Close your eyes and listen to the teacher. For this question, may prashneta, I will give, don't open the eyes, I saw, open, I will give only 2 minutes. 1, 2, 3, start. Quickly, quickly, 2 minutes. Inadi taking, Yenuka, hurry up. That fast.
Sir, වාක්‍යම ආපහු ලියන්න.
Yes.
Sir, it's a rewrite the sentences skill Nathan.
Excuse me, sir. Fourth question now, Pramoda or Pramoda. Sir.
Sir, I have done my work.
Sir, I have done my work. I have done my works.
Sir, I have done my work.
Sir, what's the meaning in the front row?
ඉස්සරහ පේලිය.
ඉස්සරහ පේලිය.
I had done my work, sir.
I have done my work, sir.
Sir, I had a
Right. I'm sorry. I got 5 minutes break. Vinadi hataraka break එකක් ගත්තා. Don't blame me.
I have done my work, sir.
I have done my work, sir. I have done my work, sir.
so I'm
මම
sorry,
ලෝකේ
I have done.
මම ලෝකේ වැඩියෙන්ම මේ අවුරුද්දේ අහපු වචනේ I have done my work. Right? මට මේ හීනෙනුත් සමහරවිට ඒක ඇහෙනවද දුරේන 50 සැරයක් විතර. I have done my work like that. I have අපි ඒක වෙනස් කරමු දැන් නේ.
Okay.
වෙනස් කර. කොහොමද කරන්නේ වෙනස් කරන්නේ?
I finished my work.
I have finished.
Finished my.
I have finished.
I have finished writing.
I have
Finish my work.
My work.
අන්න එක එක ඒවා කියන්න. I have finished writing.
I have finished my
I
work.
completed my work.
I have completed. I have completed my work. මං කියන්නම් කෙටි වචනයක්. done sir. done. මොකද්ද වචනේ? කළා.
sir. Done.
I have done කියන එක done. ඕනම දෙයක් අපි එහෙම ඉංග්‍රීසි භාෂාවේ ටර්ම් එකක් තියෙනවා. වැඩේ done. හොඳයි නේද?
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
done sir.
Yeah, it's correct.
Good good.
I'm sorry.
But don't use it always. ඒක නිතරම use කරොත් I can see it in a dream and I will fed up with it. Right?
Sir,
And-
you can't, you doesn't think it that.
right? Okay, after finishing the work, මෙන්න මෙහෙම කරන්න.
පන්ති ඉවරෙන්න කීයද?
පන්ති ඉවරෙන් රෑ සමහර රෑ 1 විතර වෙන්න පුළුවන්. Right? Maybe 1 o'clock. Do you like to learn English until 1 o'clock?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, but we can't
Sir,
do
teach will you.
Yes, sir.
දැක්කනේ දුලින sir teach will you. We like sir උගන්වනකො we will stay until midnight. You can bring your dinner near the table and eat and learn. After that, everybody can sleep on the desk. Huh? Okay. First one, Rashka. Fatima loves to sing. Rashka, I can't hear you. Rashka is silent. I would like to hear the voice of Yashmi. Fatima loves to sing.
Okay, sir. She loves to sing.
She loves to sing. Aditi number 2. Rahal and Damsar enjoy listening to song.
They enjoy listening to songs.
Ahasna, switch on the camera. Do a Pramod will sing a song with Purni. Ahasna is missing. She does not answer. Disinu,
He will sing a song with Purni.
okay. Mr. Shaven, Pramoda has a beautiful voice too.
She has a beautiful voice too.
She has a beautiful voice too. Gagani Dayarat, the concert will be held tomorrow.
It will be held tomorrow.
Damsadi Dua, the concert will be held tomorrow.
It will be held tomorrow.
Sasani, Fatima and I will sit in front of you.
We will sit in the front of row.
In front of In the front row, yes. Again, first one, Chetana, Fatima loves to sing.
She loves to sing.
Number 2, Nadev, Rahul and Damsar enjoy listening. You are muted.
They enjoy listening to songs.
Okay. Yenuka Sadahas, Pramod will sing a song with Purni.
She has a beautiful. Sorry, sir. He will sing a song with Purni.
Okay. Sarada, Pramoda has a beautiful voice too.
She has a beautiful voice too.
Generally, the concert will be held tomorrow.
It will be held tomorrow.
Behansa, Fatima and I will sit in the front row.
We will sit in the front row.
Right. Hands up those who could understand this lesson very well. Pronouns part modera puluwan
Yes, I got it, sir. Also
yes,
got it.
I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Huh? I, my, me, we, our, us, you, your, like that.
So it's easy.
It's very easy. Contraction, pitwe bhagayak ivara. Contraction. Lobkirin, ketikirin, contraction. This time without teacher's explanation, Aditi. Without teacher's explanation, can you complete this table? කාටද මේ වගුව පුරවන්න පුළුවන් කියලා විශ්වාසය?
Yes, sir, I can.
I can complete this.
Can, sir. I can, sir.
1, 2, 3, start. Sadish කරන්න ඉද්දමල්ගොඩ Sadish camera on කරගන්න පුතා. අපේ ස්පෝකන් පන්තියෙත් ඉන්නවා Sadish. වෙනදා අම්මා තමයි ඔයා ළඟින්ම ඉන්නේ වැඩ කරනවද බලන්න. Your mother is with you. Start activity number 9. Activity number 9. Harshi sir, ටියුට් එකේ වල ලැබුණද?
Yes, sir, I got it. Here.
Because Harshi did not have a PDF, she paid the money and she sent me a message, sir. Please send me the ටියුට් or not. එවනවද නැද්ද?
No, sir, I didn't. My mom.
Huh? Your mother?
Yes, sir. My mom sent the message.
Send the message. Okay, okay. As soon as I saw the message, I sent the PDF. Okay.
Yes, sir. My mom get the printouts also before the class.
Right. Good, good, good. I sent it 2-3 days ago, I think. 2 days ago, I think.
Yeah. These days my mom is not at home. She is too late. I cannot watch the WhatsApp.
Ah, yes, yes. Then mom has sent me a message telling thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Hasna wants to get the tutorial. The message. Then I didn't get my tutorial. PDF or tut.
Okay. Hasna, have you got the tutorial with you? Hasna, switch on the camera.
Sir, sorry, my camera was broken now, suddenly. Sneha send it to me, sir, now.
Okay. If you cannot get the PDF, just call the teacher.
Okay, sir.
We are here to help you, right? Any student, our pawn will welcome everybody, right? Aditi, why did you call me today to give me the essay?
Yes, sir.
Right. That time, you know, I was very busy and I could not find time. I will see what I can do. Try to call always, not Friday, Aditi. Friday, just before Friday, better Thursday, Wednesday. Huh? Rashka, can you read the essay about my school?
Yes, sir, I can. My school is Muslim Ladies College. It is situated in Gold District. It is a national college. As a ladies college, there are 70 teachers and about 1,800 students in my school. It has classes up to grade 13. Our principal is Mrs. Kaushalya Masachide and vice principal is Mrs. Sindhya Vidhanapadirana. It has several large buildings, computer lab, a library, science lab, home science lab and a small playground. Our school garden is very beautiful. There are many flowers in our garden. Our school teachers are very kind and helpful. Our school has Sinhala medium and Tamil medium, so both students can study well. Our school motto is knowledge is power. Our teachers always keep that motto in their mind and teach us well. The students of our school get high results at scholarship, O-level exam and A-level exam because of our teachers. We always want to thanks for them. Day by day, our school increase its rank. It's my aim. I love my school and I am proud of my school. Thank you.
Thanks for them, Nevedua. Thank them. Huh? Thank them. On this Stuti Karan. Very good essay. It's a very good essay. Huh? Aditi, now you can take this opportunity. Listen to her essay. Everybody, start.
My school. The name of my school is Sangamita Girls College. It is in Galle. It is located about 5 kilometers from my house. It is one of the best schools in Sri Lanka. There are more than 200 teachers and 6,000 pupils in my school. The principal of my school is Miss Chandani Udakungura. My school has very big buildings and it has many classrooms, science labs, a library and a big computer lab too. It has a large playground. Also, it has a greenery environment. The teachers of my schools are well educated and talented. They teach us in a creative way. Our teachers also teach us moral values. I love to go to school. Good teachers and the playful environment in my school makes my school best. My school is really nice and I like my school very much.
Very good. Very impressive. Very impressive. Avi, kinect අවස්ථාව දෙන්න පුළුවන් පාස්ල කෙනෙක්.
I can answer.
I can answer this.
Can I tell lightness?
I'm Kasumi.
I like Kasuni Amanda. Start.
My school. I go to two schools. There are Bergidandrukote Primary School and Shaka Girls College. I first went to Bergidandrukote Primary School 4 years. It is in the Andrukote small city. It is small school, but it's good. It have 10 classes, 1 office rooms and playground. Its principal name is Mr. Thaminda Kumara and it teaches 12 teachers. I love it very much. My new school is Vishaka Girls College. It is the biggest school in Bandarawada. It learns 500 students and 150 teachers.
Naduwa, itara inne Deara dara tamai tiyen. There are 2,000 students and 100 teachers.
Its principal is Mr. Vayon Vishaka Rajapaksa. It has 2 playgrounds, hostel, washrooms, library, canteen, labs, and staff rooms. It has grade 6 to grade 13 classes. I like
It no, it has classes from grade 1 to 13. It has Nathan, there are classes from grade 1 to 13.
Okay. I love my school and I become a good person one day. Thank you.
Good, good. Clap, clap. Very good.
Sir,
Asuni,
can I tell?
how many marks did you score for scholarship exam?
Can I tell something about myself?
168.
68. And you got admission to new school. Okay, okay. තව රචනා කියන්න කීප දෙනෙක් ඉඳෙද්දි මම වැඩේ මගදී නවත්තන්නම් කමක් නැහැ. අනිත් අය මට කෝල් කරලා කියන්න මං ආසයි දුල්ලගේ රචනාව අහන්න. හැබැයි ලබන සතියේත් අවස්ථාව තියෙනවා ඔබට බය වෙන්න එපා නැසඳි. හැබැයි ලියපු නැතිනම් ලියුව ළමයි අත උස්සන අවංකවම did you write about your school? නැසඳි නාදේව් everybody හැමෝම ලියනවා. මන් දන්න මේ පන්තියේ උනන්දුව තියන අය ලියනවා. Sadish, ලිව්වේ නැද්ද Adish? හරි?
Sir, I can't hide, but I can.
Satumi? Behansa did not write. Iddamalgoda didn't you write? Right. How many essays, Nesandi, have we written so far? Rachana kiya lila
16 essays.
16. That's it.
Yes, sir, more than 10. More than 10.
More than 10. Jashmi, how many essays?
More than 15, sir.
Than 16, sir.
I think around 20. මං හිතනවා 20කට කිට්ටු ඇති කියලා.
Yes, sir. More than essays than about 20 essays.
Yes.
We can pass 20 essays.
දැන් රචන ඇති නේද? Enough.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
පුළුවන් ද මේ වගේ රචනාවක් ලියන්න? පිරිමි ළමයින්ට දෙනවා මෙහෙම. යනුක මොකක්ද දන්නවද? If I were a girl, මම ගෑනු ළමයෙක් වුණොත්. පිරිමි ළමයි ලියන්න ඕනේ ඒක. ගෑනු ළමයි ලියන්න ඕනේ if I were a boy. මම කොල්ලෙක් වුණොත්.
Yes, I can write it.
ඈ?
Sir,
Can
can
you
I
write?
I can write it.
I can write it, sir. I can write, sir.
Right.
write it.
දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ හිතනවා මේ මේක ලේසි මාතෘකාවක් නෙවෙයි. In our diploma, our teacher bought a manjusa. manjusaවක් ගෙනල්ලා හැමෝන්ටම කිව්වා අත දාලා එක එක මාතෘකා. Very simple. Sri Lanka, my hobby, my leisure time activity, an interesting place, a place of historical value. මට ආවේ if I were a girl. මම ගෑනු ළමයෙක් වුණොත් මම ඉවරයි. දුරින. What is the topic?
If I were
a girl.
I were a girl.
Yes. Then you know, everybody shouted. Dileepa collapsed today. Dileepa දැන් අද පරණලක් වගේ බිම වැටලා තියෙනවා. The big character, one of the biggest character in the class, now he's going to have heart attack and heart failure and he will die on the spot. Then, what should I do? මම මොකද කරේ? දන්නවද? Then, මං කිව්වා sir, give me 5 minutes. මට විනාඩි 5ක් දෙන්න. Why? මං කිව්වා I want to talk to a girl. මට මුලින් ගෑනු ළමයෙක් එක්ක කතා කරන්න ඕන. පෞද්ගලිකව. Clear? I want to talk to a girl secretly, රහසින්. After that, I will speak. මං එයාගේ හැඟීම් අහගෙන ඇවිල්ලා කියන්නම්. Then he said, okay. Then in my class, there is a girl called Anuradha, a girl from Colombo Damsadi. Colombo girl, very fair, beautiful girl. Anuradha was sitting at our row. Appe peliyama indiye Harshi. I went to meet her. මම යාව හම්බෙන්න ගියා. මම කිව්වා අනුරාධ come. එන්න ඔයා ටිකක් අපි දෙන්න පිටිපස්සට යමු. පන්ති. එතකොට සර් බැන්නෙත් නැහැ. We went to the back of the class යනුකෝ. යනුකෝ ඔයාලත් දැන් එහෙම කිව්වොත් යන්න පිටිපස්සට හොඳද? Go to the back of the class. මම කිව්වා what should I speak? ඔයගොල්ලෝ තියෙන රචනාව ලියන්නනේ. අපිට ඉස්සරහට ඇවිල්ලා කතා කරන්න. අනුරාධ දැන් මට ඔයා කියන්නකෝ මොනවද මං කතා කරන්නේ? මට then she helped me. එයා කිව්වා ගෑනු ළමෙක් නම් මං කොණ්ඩේ වවනවා. මම perfumes ගන්නවා. මම ආඩම්බරයි. මම පිරිළමයි දෙස බලන්නේ නැහැ. හරිද? මගේ voice එක හරිම pleasing. එයා විවිධ හැඟීම් මට අදහස් දුන්නා. Then I spoke. එයා තව කිව්වා I wear flowers. මම ආසයි මගේ කොණ්ඩේ මල් ගහන්න. My favorite dress is long frocks. I also like to wear like that. I like mama asai if boys look at me. පිරිමිලා මාදේශ බලනකොට සමාවෙන්න මේ පන්තියේ මේ කොට කිසිම බේරන් කෙනෙක් වරදවා හිතනම මේ ඉංග්‍රීසි පන්තියේ මට ඩිප්ලෝමා එකේදී තිබු මාතෘකාව. So after 5 minutes I hands up and say sir I am ready. Now I am ready. And I went forward like a girl. Yashmi, and I spoke.
Can you act like a girl?
No, I did. Yes, I changed my voice. Right? I spoke like a girl.
Show it, please.
Now I can show. Now my voice is very rough. Then everybody clap. Very good, very good. Sir, ku ඇත්තටම දිලීප අපිට මට දැනුණා කෝ ඔයා ඇත්තටම ගෑනු ළමෙක් කියලා. Right? Okay. එහෙනම් පුළුවන් ද ඔබටත් ඒ විදිහට කියන්න මේක ඩිප්ලෝමා මාතෘකාවක්.
Yes, sir.
සඳිල්යා පුළුවන් ද if I were a boy මම කොල්ලෙක්.
Yes, sir.
Can you try diploma topic?
Okay, sir. My
Ansari, can you
all
write?
neighbors are boys. Then I can ask from them and write my essay.
Yes. You have many friends at in your classes. Gagani, you can call a boy. Hello, I am Gagani. මට ඔයාගේ අදහස් ටිකක්. Boys have rough ideas, strong ideas, short hair. Like that. හරි. ඒක නිකන් තරගයක් වශයෙන් නෙවෙයි, you can write normally. Our time is going to be over. අපේ කාලය දැන් අවසන් වෙන්න යන්නේ. Need to complete the table, please.
Yes, sir. We did.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We did. Yes, sir. We did.
Right.
I done.
You have completed. Okay, activity 10 අපි කරනවා අද දවසේ අන්තිම activity 10. Chenuli, can you read activity number 10?
Sir.
Example and complete.
Okay, මම 9 වල උත්තර දැන් කියන්න අහන් ඉන්න. She will, she ill. You are. She is, she is. Answers ටික ටක් ගාලා එක එක්කෙනා ටක් ගාලා කියවමු බලන්න එහෙනම්. සාරදා, it is.
It's.
Damsadi, we are. We are. Cannot, Rashta, cannot. Can't. Nesandi, let us. Let's. Chetana, did not.
Didn't.
Dulina, I had. Nimna, there is. Nimna.
So can you repeat it again?
Nimna, there is. Yashmi, Yashmi, there is. Pehansa, we shall. Pehansa, I can't hear. You are muted. We
Will,
shall.
will,
Huh?
will,
Chenuli, we shall
will,
feel. Shall will say. Harshi, you have. Harshi, you have.
never,
You were not. You have. You. You. Lulina, will not.
I cannot
Will not.
Want. Want.
Will not want. Aditi, next one. May not.
meant,
Mayn't. May in a Iru, I would. Jenuka, I would. I'd. Very good, Jenuka. Next one. Sandilya. Does not. Doesn't. Yashmi, who is? Whose? Chatumi. Chatumi had not. Sanuli is not. Isn't. Now number 10. Last question for the day. Adadavse. Antima prashne.
Sir, please tell me.
will not take a ten මොකක්ද?
Edua?
will not take a ten මොකක්ද?
This one will not want. Answer is
Sir.
want.
Sir,
Harshi. Ashtana
please.
by Sinhala in English. I don't know Sinhala. I am a Suddha.
Sir, please tell me a
I know you
answer.
can speak now very well. Why do you speak in Sinhala? This is
Yes.
our English class. Now most of the teachers, even Damsadi in YouTube, have you watched? They teach English in Sinhala.
No, in Sinhala is translated to English past times. Now English is translated to English.
English into English?
No, sir, some teachers are
How
speaking.
can English be translated to English?
Damsadi.
I watch many, videos, YouTube, school programs. I think most of the classes they teach in
Sinhala.
Sinhala. Take Sinhala sentence, then tell the English translation, and take like that. That is a Singlish class, Damsadi. Singlish. So teacher can explain, no problem. Student should speak. Teacher also should speak. Then only you can satiate your ears. Otherwise, you will lose your language markers. If you speak Spanish, you can learn Spanish. If you listen to Tamil, Janumi, you will learn Tamil.
So now I can speak Tamil very well.
Damsadi is not happy with my answer. How do you learn to speak Sinhala? You tell me. When you went to Sinhala spoken class?
No, sir. I have to read the Sinhala storybooks.
No. That is wrong. When you were 3 years, අම්මගෙන් අහන්න දැන් ඉන්නෝනේ. ඔය අවුරුදු 3 සිංහල කතා කරාද නැද්ද කියලා අහන්නකෝ.
No, sir.
No?
Yes, sir, we spoke.
That is wrong. අම්ම ළඟට එන්න කියන්න. ඔය අවුරුදු 3 සිංහලෙන් කතා කරේ නැද්ද?
She does.
ඕනම ළමෙක් කතා කරනවා සිංහලෙන්.
Spoken Sinhala. Yes, sir.
You spoke in Sinhala after 1 year, 2 years. After 2 years, you could.
Mother language.
little brother
Namsali දැන් ඇහුවේ නම්
can speak Sinhala very
Yes,
well.
sir.
මොකද්ද කිව්වේ උත්තරේ?
Yes, she told yes.
Ah, when you were 2 years, ආංගින ළමයි.
To speak
අවුරුදු දෙක. When you were 2 years, you spoke Sinhala. How did you speak Sinhala? By reading books?
no, sir.
No, sir.
By logging into our classes? By logging into YouTube?
No, sir.
No,
Sir, we hear.
How did you speak?
Others speak Sinhala
By hearing.
our parents
By ear. කන් දෙකෙන් ඉගෙන ගත්තේ.
Yes.
You listen how your parents speak. You listen to it. Then only you can converse.
Sir. If
එහෙනම් what is the secret behind speech? ඉංග්‍රීසි කතාවේ තියෙන රහස මොකක්ද කියනකො?
the words.
The words we hear.
Not words. Listening. What is that?
Listening.
Listening.
Listening is secret.
Now if your parents had lull you, අම්මයි තාත්තයි ඔයගොල්ලෝ නැලුවා නම් sleep baby sleep, eat baby eat, you speak English. If your mother, I don't know Tamil, දෙමළෙන් කිව්වා නම්
Hey,
I
mommy.
don't know what is the word for නිදා ගන්නෝ?
I don't know.
My mother is Tamil.
Huh?
Sir, my mother is Tamil.
Harshi. Ah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then when your mother lull you by using Tamil words, you speak Tamil.
Yes, sir. Now I can speak Tamil, but she can speak Sinhala also.
All the language. That's
Yes.
better.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
English.
Amen. When you become elders, when you become fathers, when you become mothers, speak in English. Then your children will speak English. If you speak in Canadian language, they will speak Canadian. If you speak in Vedi Bhasha, Vedi language, Yenuka, Dampojjara Mangacha. Emma කියනවද? Like that. Okay.
Yeah.
That is okay. මන්ද කරනවා. ඒගොල්ලෝ එහෙම නේද කියන්නේ? They use that word.
Yes,
පොදු
sir.
පොජ්ජක් පොදු පොජ්ජක් පොදුයි.
People also talk like that, sir.
Huh? Right.
Strict.
Okay. අහන් ඉන්න sir කියන්නේ මේ අත්දැකීමෙන් I speak with my experience with the environment and all. මේ ලෝකෙන් අපේ කතාවට වැඩියෙන්ම බලපාන speech එකට what is that?
Listening.
Listening.
That's why I ask you, always listen to good speeches. Listen to radio programs in English TV programs. Listen when the teacher speaks to you, you listen carefully whether you can grab something. You listen to the teacher, you can be like the teacher. You can speak later on better than the teacher. You can, right? You can improve your power of vocabulary, grammar, every aspect of the language. Kumar sir, අපිව යොදවන්නේ මේ to get a product, not a puppy or computerized boy. Fill in the blanks. No, that is, we hate these things. Kumar sir කියන නිසා අපි මේ ටියුට්ටයක් හදලා එවනවා තින් බොරුවටනේ. ඔයගොල්ලෝ සතුටු කරන්න දෙමාපියෝ පැක් එකට දුන්න පොඩි ටියුට්ටයක් එවනවා. සර් නැත්තම් බයිනවා අපට. understood? එහෙම නෙවෙයි සර් අපිට කියන දිලීප් අලුත් දෙයක් කරන්න, ප්‍රොඩක්ට් එක වෙනස් කරන්න, කතා කරවන්න, වැඩ කරවන්න. ටියුට් එකක් එවන්න හැමදේම. everywhere. Okay. Answers. Gagani, he is happy.
He's happy.
Saseri, it's a nice day.
It's a nice day.
Oh, it is a nice day. It's a nice. Aditi, we are at home.
We are at home.
Sarada, let us play a trick.
Let's play a trick.
Dulina, we do not go to the palace.
We don't go to the palace.
Be simple. Now Yashmi, he did not cry.
He didn't cry.
Sada say, I am at the palace.
I am at the palace.
Right. Hands up those who wrote all the answers correctly. Right. Ada mama kare kiri kajuwage padama. I did a very easy lesson, right? Pada baninne pa
I
demapiyo.
also got it and very easy.
Very easy. ඔගොල්ලෝ දන්නවද grade no grade 6 වල තියෙන්නේ අන්තිම පාඩම් ටික හරි ලේසි කිරි කජුවගේ. මැද ටික තමයි අමාරු. In the middle. But in other classes, the last lessons are grade 9, grade 10, the last lessons were difficult. The inverse of that. Why? The lessons have become easy. Okay. Next week we can start adverbs. Adverbs here. Today you learn a story about Obama.
Obama.
Obama. Yes.
Obama.
Can you tell that story to your mother?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so disturbing. Here thundering. I should leave now.
Thundering.
Yes, sir.
Don't get scared. Your face is very scared. Your eyes has gone up. Huh?
No, sir. I don't like to leave the English class.
Yeah, okay, no problem. If it is thundering, I cannot say you must remain. No problem, dear daughter. You may leave and sleep well and get up early.
I am not sleeping now.
No, no trouble, no trouble.
Okay,
If it is
sir.
thundering, it could be dangerous. And tell your story, Gagani, to your mother, your father. Amma
Sir, in English?
Dulina, tell
Good
your
night.
father. You will become a king. Right? තාත්තා ගෙදර බඩු ගෝණි දෙකක් උස්සන් එනකොට කියන්න ඔබාම වගේ when he carries 2 sacks of sweets ගේන වෙලාවට කියන්න දෙන්නේ රටේ ඉඳන් එනකොට when your father comes with 2 bags full of toys and household items තාත්තේ you will become a king.
Sir, he is coming on February.
February, no problem. Give me 1 bag of toys, sir.
Okay, so I will give you 2 bags full of chocolates and toys.
Yes, I like both, right? Give me a call, I will come and collect. No problem.
No, sir,
And-
we will come a trip to Gaul and we will give you 2 bags full of chocolates and
Right,
toys.
now I will, okay, thank you. I will write the time. Then ඔයා කියපු වෙලාව මම ලියාගෙන තියෙනවා. I have got the video. මගේ වීඩියෝ එකක් දැන් තියෙනවා රෙකෝඩ් කරගෙන. I will send you record on the day before your father comes. Sir, I will give you a bag full of chocolate with toys. Then you remind. Okay. And right. Anyway, thank you for joining. We have completed half of the tune. We can meet next week. www.myteachers.lk with a special lesson. Next week, 3 activity games. Do you like?
Yes, sir, we like.
Yes, we like, sir.
I will give you opportunity to play the violin or to play the song. Violin, Gana Purala Matusan, those who can play violin, melodica. Those who cannot play, they can dance. Huh? They can display a dance. Hands up those who can dance.
I can say candy and dancer.
Right. You can wear Candian dress and like that you put the dance. Okay. Like that. Fiance can dance. Gagani can do Bandara dance. Jenumi. Dance. Sarada, Candian dance. Rashka, you can't dance.
No, sir.
Can't. Nesadi, what type of dance? Right. I will practice with the dance and right. Okay, perform it. It will take 3 months. I want to go to village, Mayangana, meet with the people, get their support, advice, and with 3 leaves and parts of the trees, and send on the face with jewels made of animal skins and teeth. I will, okay. Everybody should participate in the class.
Sir.
Okay, good night, children. Thank you for joining.
Good night, sir.
Be
Thank
happy,
you.
children. Be
Thank
happy.
you, sir. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day, sir.
God bless you, sir.
Have a nice day, sir. Goodbye, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Goodbye, sir.
I have violin also. Good night, sir.
Goodbye, sir.
Good night, sir.
Good night, sir.